As you know, Runway is by far my favorite AI tool to use in the video space. So here are 3 features that I can't wait to incorporate into my everyday creative process in 2025. Number 1 is the keyframe feature in their generative video. The keyframes feature is available in the Alpha Turbo. It allows creators to define specific frames like the beginning, the middle, and the end. So if you have any animation experience, this is similar to the tweening technique. So essentially, you show the computer what the beginning, the middle, and the end looks like, and it fills in the betweens. So this provides precise control over transitions and animations, enabling a smoother and more intentional storytelling. And I'm really excited about this one. So here is what the outcome looks like. The next up is Act 1. Now this one isn't brand new, it was announced a little bit ago, but I'm just looking for an excuse to use this in my process. So somebody, please give me an excuse to use this in my process. So essentially, a feature that was announced a little bit back is Act 1. This animates character images or videos using a single driving video. So essentially, this video right here. So as you can see, right next to me, it is mimicking all of my movements. It is getting all my facial expressions. So like, I'm really angry right now. You can see it. Oh, I'm so mad. Or I'm really happy and talking about this. And it is mimicking it side by side. So this is essentially motion capture without needing all the expensive materials. And then finally, just announced in their Discord is their 4K upscaling. As of right now, their generative video supports 1280 by 768, but once it creates that video, you can expand it by an extra 8 seconds, and you can also upscale that to 4K. So this allows you to incorporate these generative videos a little bit better into your professional videos. Before, you had to export it in 1280 by 760, and then you had to zoom in, and essentially you lose a little bit of quality there. But with this, you don't have to lose that quality. These are 3 features from Runway AI that I can't wait to use in 2025. If you haven't used them yet, check them out. They are affordable and they have about 26 different tools that will all help you in your video process if you use them the right way. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And please, if you have a reason for me to use Act 1, reach out to me because I really want to use more of it.